She has been one of my favorite actors in Indian cinema, and she still reigns today and continues to be the force that she is. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Madhuri Dixit Nene. So, Madhuri, before we ask you, we're going to call the cast on. And so here, this is a girl I met for the first time on an award stage. Ironically, Madhuri was giving me the award as well, and she was one of the presenters. She was all of 8 or 9, I'm not sure. Mildly precocious, but always beautiful. And this is her second film with us in Dharma Productions. Gorgeous, stunning, a solid artist. Please welcome Sonakshi Sinha. All right. All right. I've spoken about innumerable times about her on this particular PVR stage. I would say this is her 8th or 9th film with Dharma Productions. Possibly the most that we have seen of an actor in the company. Literally, figuratively, and every which way, the baby of Dharma Productions. Please welcome Alia Bhatt. All right, he, ladies and gentlemen, is a force of nature in so many ways. He was a dear friend of my father's and then became the closest heartbeat to all of us in our family. My father loved him and only had the best things to say about him right through his journey. Standing tall with him through thick and thin, this man is all heart. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Sanjay Dutt. His second outing with Dharma Productions, his third actually, his third outing, and has already resonated deeply with the ashiki of many, many hearts. Always gorgeous, always on point, and always the gentleman we know him to be. Please welcome Aditya Roy Kapoor. All right, and finally, he began his journey with us. Are bolne do? Okay. So he began his journey with us 7 years ago, and we rightfully believe that he is the marketing head of Dharma Productions. And no offense to Sid and his entire team, Alpa and Tejasvi, but everybody knows that Varun Dhawan knows how to sell everything. And the only thing he promised he won't sell is me, because I think I'm part of his legacy, and emotionally and professionally. Please put your hands together for Varun Dhawan. All right. So this is us, and apart from this, and which we will share with you at the trailer, we have a solid team. That is the reason why Kalank stands tall. The writing team, I see Shibani in the house, of course Pritam Da, Binod, Amrita, the entire team that has led to this film. All of them have worked literally like hours put together, but all of those people know that you live in our hearts and will continue to do so. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the team of Kalank. And I'm going to begin by, before I open it at the house, just a quick word that everyone in the lead cast has to say. Madhuri, we're going to start, of course, with you. What does it feel like to just be a part of our journey, part of Kalank, and just part of what has happened and what you've seen?
I think it's been wonderful being a part of this journey because I'm working with Karan, Dharma Films, and of course, my director, Abhishek. I think he's one of the finest persons I've ever met, and he's so good on the set. So he's always dukhi because because to please him is very difficult. And when he has a shot right, you see you know, when you give a right shot, you see a big smile on his face. So it's been very hard to please him. But apart from that, I think it's been a great journey to work with all of them, such good actors, and it's just been marvelous for me. I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
Fantastic. Thank you, Madhuri, and thank you for always being there. Thank you. Sanju, like I said right in my intro, you've been part of our family since I can remember. Literally, you know, I think that some of my most emotional childhood moments have you in them. How does it feel now to like life completes a complete circle and now with Kalank?
Well, you know how close I was with your father, and it's always a pleasure working with Dharma, and to see you grow like that. I'm so proud of you, Karan, and to work with Varun and Sonakshi and Adi and Alia, and most of all, ma'am, Madhuri ji. After so many years, and I really enjoyed this journey, and I just want to be a part of Dharma all the time. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanju, and we love you. Sonakshi, this, as I said, is, after giving me that Filmfare Award, I mean, life has been so beautiful for you as well. You grew from strength to strength. And now, when I see visuals of you in the film, it just makes my heart feel like proud that this was the little girl who I met on stage and now I see on screen. How has Kalank been for you?
Well, it makes my heart also really proud to be a part of this beautiful film, this magnum opus that Mr. Abhishek Varman has helmed so beautifully. Look at this. I'm standing next to the most stellar cast, such fine actors to work with and be seen in the same film with. So, life set there.
Adi, your third film with us, and of course, you know, we have a solid producer team here as well, and a director who's apparently hard to please. What was your experience on the sets of Kalank?
Yeah, hard to please is right.
Yeah.
But that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's been a pleasure to work with Dharma again, Karan. It's always been a wonderful experience, and this one has been the same. Always so well taken care of, and I think that comes from the top. So thank you again for a great experience. And yeah, I fell in love with the script when Abhi came to me with it, and I always felt that he always had a really clear vision for the film in his head, and that's how I felt on set every day. The way he guided, I think, all of us through it was made the experience amazing because of his clarity of thought. So all in all, it's been wonderful.
Thank you, Adi. And you look solid on screen, I have to say. Like, amazing.
Nice.
Amazing, if I can say so myself. Alia, I lost count. What number film is this? You're counting, I'm sure you are.
What number film this
Yes,
is? I
yes.
think it's the 9th.
It's the 9th
Yeah.
film. So we know how lucky 9 is, at least for Akshay Kumar, I remember that. I hope it's lucky for us as well. Alia, I know when you heard Kalank really right at the beginning, and you having been close to Abhi, it was something that initially you were part of, even when it was being nurtured. And now when you see it all come together, how does it feel? Oh God, here goes. These are the...
Firstly, I have to ask on Abhi's behalf. He wants to know if he can sit.
No, you can't. Just stand fine. He's like
Firstly-
me. We like to keep low profiles, you know.
Firstly, I have to say that, I mean, just sharing the stage with all these wonderful people, actors, artists, like human beings, it just feels really surreal. So thank you, Abhi, for bringing us all together. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Sajid sir. Thank you, everybody, for making this happen. Genuinely, I'm going to try very hard to be a little bit normal, but it's very difficult because I have a lot of love for my director and for my friend, and he's put in a lot of effort and hard work into making this film happen. And every time I see this, any visual or even right now watching this, it's really surreal. And I just have to say that he's the nicest, most amazing human being in the world. He is so nice that I just wish that this film, of course we all wish for ourselves, but I really wish that it kills it. Mostly and mainly only for him, because he's a lovely, lovely person and he deserves all the success and love in the world. Now I'm going to stop talking because my makeup will get ruined.
Varun, you've been... So just like Alia, Abhi was on the sets of your very first feature film. He was on the sets as a creative director on Student of the Year. He was standing there helping us all make that film. And before that on My Name is Khan, he was an AD with you.
No, actually, first of all, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? So I've actually come back to India after some time, so just want to wish all of you all the members of the media, including Karan, since you are also a member of the media now.
Yeah.
How are you? But okay, this aside, I'm not going to do this. But I have to say this film is so damn special to me because one, it's being produced by people who are so close to me. In my childhood, I remember Sajid sir very, very vividly. I've seen him on sets with Dad, always, and I always dreamt that one day he'd produce a film with me. I was very small, but I would have this dream. And this is my third film with him today. With Karan, I think he's a part of my family. He's my everything. I feel safe when I'm around him because I know he's going to have my back no matter what. But the biggest reason to do this film is Abhishek Varman. During My Name is Khan, when I was an AD, I was not a very good AD. My roommate was Abhishek. And he just was like, you know, why don't you iron your clothes and go to set? So every morning he used to iron my t-shirts, my shirts, my jeans, and just would tell me to be a little bit more tidy and to get my life together because he would worry about me then. But I have to say he had my back then and he has my back now. And I'm just so damn proud of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone has, of course, had these experiences. And, of course, the experience will be shared with us, with everybody next month. And we're going to open this up to a few questions because I think everyone has said their bit. But, of course, because we consider you a part of our own and our family, we'd like to, of course, share this day with all of you. And if any of you have questions, and I say these four words with a great amount of respect related to the film, then we would be happy to kind of take them.
सबसे पहले तो टीजर बहुत ही बेहतरीन था और ग्रेट सक्सेस के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट सबको। मेरा सवाल सबसे था ये था कि कभी आपके लाइफ में ऐसा हुआ है कि आपको किसी ने बोला हो कि इंसानियत के नाम पे कलंक है तू, या आपने किसी को बोला हो इंसानियत के नाम पे कलंक है तू, कोई इंसिडेंट ऐसा हो? और दूसरा सवाल ये कि
वरुण, किसी ने आपको कहा है कि इंसानियत के नाम पे तुम कलंक हो?
एक दिन बिल्डिंग में मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा था और आई वाज द ओपनर और मैं पहले ही बॉल पे आउट हो गया था। जो कैप्टन था वो बोला तू ही है कलंक हमारी टीम में।
और सब अपने अपने
सबके अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं।
जी जी। और दूसरा सवाल ये था कि सही मायने में कलंक का मतलब क्या होता है आप लोगों की नजर से?
कलंक का मतलब क्या होता है? कलंक का मतलब आई थिंक बहुत सारी चीजें हो सकती हैं। कभी नजरिए की बात होती है। कलंक, किसी को कोई कलंक लगता है तो किसी को कोई काजल, तो बहुत सारी ऐसी इंटरप्रिटेशंस हो सकते हैं। कोई कह सकता है कि कलंक धब्बा है आपकी आंचल पे, आपकी जिंदगी पे, आपके वातावरण पे, आपके घर परिवार गृहस्थी पे, या तो किसी को, जैसे मैंने कहा है, किसी की नजर से कलंक होता है तो किसी की नजर से मोहब्बत। तो आई थिंक यही जो आप देखेंगे और पाएंगे इस फिल्म में, ये नजरिए की बात है, या ये इश्क है या ये कलंक है, इसका फैसला आपको करना है।
Hi Madhuri ma'am, this is towards your right, Madhuri ma'am. This is Ravi from ABP News. Madhuri ma'am, इस फिल्म के लिए पहले श्रीदेवी जी को अप्रोच किया गया था और सैडली मतलब अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनकी डिमाइस हो गई और आपको ये रोल के लिए अप्रोच किया गया। आपके मन में क्या चल रहा था जब आपको ये अप्रोच किया गया इस रोल के लिए? क्या एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर था कि श्रीदेवी का रोल आपको करने के लिए दिया गया?
Well, एक तो बहुत दुखद बात हुई थी तभी ही, और जब आई वाज अप्रोच टू डू दिस रोल एक हैवी हार्ट था तभी, बहुत दिल में बहुत सारी भावनाएं थी क्योंकि एक बहुत ही अच्छी आर्टिस्ट, अच्छी इंसान थी वो, और उनके साथ ऐसा हुआ। लेकिन टू स्टेप इनटू द रोल, जब आप एक एज एन एक्ट्रेस बात करते हैं तो एक अलग बात है, क्योंकि जब रोल मिलता है तो आप उस हिसाब से, अपने हिसाब से करते हैं। लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स उनकी याद हमेशा आती थी सेट पे, क्योंकि वो मतलब करने वाली थी इस रोल को। लेकिन फिर जब आप शुरू करते हैं काम तो उसके बियॉन्ड देखना पड़ता है आपको और अपना रोल अच्छी तरीके से निभाना पड़ता है, तो वही किया। लेकिन ऑफ कोर्स यू नो वी विल ऑल मिस हर टेरिबली।
एक छोटा सा सवाल और संजय सर और माधुरी मैम आप दोनों से, आपने बहुत सारी, आप दोनों ने साथ में फिल्में की, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी हिट फिल्में दी, कैसा रहा इतने साल बाद दोबारा साथ में काम करना? कुछ अगर शेयर कर पाए दोनों।
जैसे मैंने ऑलरेडी मैं कह चुका हूँ कि बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत समय के बाद मैं इनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ और यही कोशिश करूँगा कि ज़्यादा काम हो और क्या।
Karan, towards your left. Towards your left.
Say something.
I just क्योंकि I think हम कितने 20+ years के बाद काम कर रहे हैं साथ में, और हाल ही में मैंने अनिल जी के साथ भी बहुत सालों बाद काम किया था. So it's always wonderful to work with co-actors you worked with before. और इसमें भी वैसा ही, लेकिन I think it's been wonderful.
एक्चुअली मेरे पास भी एक सवाल है, क्योंकि जब सेट पे थे तो संजू सर, माधुरी मैम, मतलब मैं ऑब्वियसली मैम ही बुलाऊंगा, बट ये भी मैम ही बुलाते थे, तो मैं थोड़ा,
तो तुम भी सीखो, तुम भी मुझे मैम बुलाओ.
Karan,
मैं तो आपको माँ बुलाता हूँ.
Karan, towards your left. Karan sir, over here. कलंक आपके फादर का सपना था और वो उनके दिल से काफ़ी ज़्यादा करीब था. तो अब आपको जब कलंक फाइनली रिलीज हो रही है और ट्रेलर इतना बेहतरीन है, तो आपको उन पलों की कुछ, टीजर इतना बेहतरीन है, तो आपको उन पलों की कुछ याद आती है जब आपके डैड ने आपको ये स्टोरी सुनाई थी? अगर आप कुछ बता पाए तो.
एक्चुअली कहानी ये, जैसे कि मैंने कहा है कि 2003 में जब कल हो ना हो रिलीज हो रही थी, तो उसके बिल्कुल 2 महीने बाद इस कहानी का जो जर्म था, जो आइडिया थी, वो मेरे जहन में आ गई थी. उसके बाद मैंने पापा के साथ बहुत शेयर किया, क्योंकि जो एटमॉस्फेयर है फिल्म का, मैं ज़्यादा बताना नहीं चाहूँगा. फिल्म जो एटमॉस्फेयर थी, वो पापा को उसकी बहुत नॉलेज थी, तो वो खुद गए थे कुछ एरियाज़ में रिसर्च करने, और वो बीमार भी थे, ही वाज़न्ट वेरी वेल, लेकिन उनका पैशन, वो पहले करियर में फोटोग्राफर हुआ करते थे, तो ही वेंट एंड टुक सम अमेजिंग फोटोज ऑफ सर्टन लोकेशंस दैट ही थॉट दैट वी वुड हैव इन आवर फिल्म. वो तस्वीरें अभी भी मेरे पास है, हमने आर्काइव किए थे. और फिर जब जून 2004 में वो चल बसे, उसके बाद ऐसा हो गया था कि इतनी सारी यादें जुड़ी थी उस कहानी के साथ, तो मैं बना नहीं पाया, मुझसे हुआ नहीं. मैंने ऑलरेडी फिल्म एक्चुअली प्लान कर ली थी, मैं शूटिंग करने जा रहा था एंड ऑफ द ईयर, लेकिन उसके बाद मुझसे हुआ नहीं. बहुत साल गुजर गए उसके बाद, और फिर कभी कभी मैं ये कहानी सबके साथ शेयर किया करता था. आई थिंक धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस में जो भी मुझसे करीब है, वो सब जानते कि कलंक की कहानी क्या है. और एक दिन मैंने अभिषेक वर्मन को वो कहानी बताई और उन्हें बहुत पसंद आया, एंड आई जस्ट फेल्ट दैट द फिल्म वुड बी इन द राइट हैंड्स विद हिम. तो उन्होंने डेवलप किया, और आज जब ये पिक्चर देखता हूँ, मेरे लिए एज अ प्रोड्यूसर बहुत सारी फिल्में बनती हैं कंपनी में, हर फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत स्पेशल है, लेकिन ये मेरे लिए एक, मैं कहूँगा स्पेशल से ज़्यादा इमोशनल है. एंड आई वुड से दैट दिस फिल्म, और मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि कल जाके इस फिल्म के साथ आई ओनली होप द बेस्ट फॉर इट, लेकिन फॉर मी इट्स बियॉन्ड दिस बॉक्स ऑफिस एंड बियॉन्ड व्हाट आई थिंक द इवेंचुअलिटी द फिल्म विल बी, बिकॉज द फैक्ट दैट ये मेरे पिताजी का ये एक सपना था जो पूरा हो गया आज, एंड आई थिंक दैट मीन्स द वर्ल्ड टू मी.
Karan sir, on your left, slightly on your left. This is Simran Singh here. Yeah. On your left. On your left. So first of all, congratulations to you and the team. The teaser is fantastic. My question to you is, in the teaser we saw that during the titles, all the female leads' name were first, and then there was the male cast name. So was that a conscious decision?
My dear, you and I were brought into this universe by women, and I've been raised by a group of strong women. And these 3 wonderful women are the heart, soul, and spine of Kalank. There is no way in hell that the men could ever match up to their prowess, their beauty, and their intellect. And that is the reason why they stand tall and proud and first in the series of events.
Wow.
Hello.
So
I'm waiting for the day that this question won't even pop up. It shouldn't be a surprise.
Good, very good. So मेरा सवाल आपसे और आदित्य से है कि usually there is a perception towards ensemble cast कि सबको वैसा रोल नहीं मिलता. The कहानी is centered towards primary characters. But what was the reason that you signed the film? Is it because that you thought that your character would be has a depth to it? What was the reason that you said yes to Kalank?
I think you asked the question and answered it as well.
Yes.
Yeah, we did do it because there was actually depth to every character, and like I mentioned earlier, the script was something that blew me away, and Abhishek's vision, which was really clear. And then when you have a director that can put his message across to you about how he's seeing something and you feel safe and comfortable about that, I think everyone feels good in their place.
All right, we have two
honestly,
questions. We have two more questions.
I just have to say that it's this film, since you said ensemble, it's a true ensemble film. So that means every character is a primary character. Even if you see a monkey, he'll also be a primary character.
There's no monkey,
so
but
it's a true ensemble.
There's a bull.
There's a bull.
Okay, sorry. I'm just saying if in case you see a monkey.
Stop confusing the audience.
Yeah, the bull and yeah.
This is a film about these 6 people and their relationships and what they go through, what changes their lives. So I think everyone has a very, very important role to play within the film.
Karan.
We have last 2 questions, ladies and gentlemen.
Towards your right, Karan. Karan.
बोलिए.
कैसे मैंने तैयार किया उनको? देखिए मैं एक्चुअली डिजाइनर नहीं फिल्म मेकर हूं, तो मैंने इनको बिल्कुल तैयार नहीं किया. काफी तैयार होके खुद आए हैं ये. और आई थिंक ये आर्टिस्ट हैं, तो ये अपना रोल देख के और फिल्म देख के और फिल्म की इमोशनल और भावनाएं देख के वो फिल्म करते हैं. तो इसलिए ऐसे मुझे कोई ज्यादा मेहनत, वरुण, आलिया, माधुरी, संजय, आदि, सोनाक्षी, उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी है और फिल्म किया है. तो स्पेशल कोई मेहनत मैंने किसी इंडिविजुअल डिपार्टमेंट के लिए रिजर्व नहीं किया. सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत मुझे आई थिंक फॉक्स और साजिद के साथ लगा है. भैया ये पिक्चर बनानी चाहिए इस बजट पे या नहीं?
भैया आप ऐसे लग रहे हैं जैसे आपको बहुत मजा आया ये देख के ट्रेलर. हाँ और ये गुफ्तगू भी करके इनके साथ और भी मजा आया आपको.
Karan.
हाँ जी. One last question.
Karan.
Yes, sir. You have a question for Sanju?
Karan, I have one question for Alia and Varun. Hello. So, Alia, Varun, we have seen you in Humpty, Badri, and Student. All urban films, yeah. So, how
are Humpty and Badri urban films?
But it's quite different from this Kalank.
That way, not a period film.
Yeah. So, how was working with this film together, you and Varun? And Karan, you also tell us कि कितना difference हुआ इनमें Student to Kalank. Just.
I think बच्चे बड़े हो गए.
And please,
I think इस फिल्म के दौरान मैं कह सकता हूँ कि वो बच्चे थे 2012 में जब उन्होंने स्टूडेंट के किरदार निभाए थे, और आज अभी मुझे लगता है कि बड़े हो गए. आपने अगर विजुअल्स देखे होंगे तो ऐसा लगता है कि सब बड़े हो गए.
But was it different from the other 3 films? Or
some things don't change, but वरुण सर के साथ काम करके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छा लगा है स्पेशली. हालांकि शुरुआत में हमारे बीच कुछ लड़ाई हो रही थी.
सच बात है, शुरुआत में बहुत लड़ाई हुई थी.
क्योंकि please tell them the reason why लड़ाई हुई थी.
No reason, I'll tell you when did it become fine.
When I started directing.
No, not when you fell down. पहले तो आलिया जब सेट पे आई तो बहुत मतलब एटीट्यूड से बिहेव कर रही थी मेरे साथ. तो मैंने पूछा अरे ऐसा क्या हो गया तुम्हें? ऐसा क्या 2-3 बड़े फिल्में साइन कर लिए तो क्या कुछ हवा लगी है? तो she said नहीं, I'm in my character and all. तो she was
this like conversation that. Never happened.
तो एक दिन मैं थोड़ा सा लेट आया था, और लेट का मतलब है मैं 20 मिनट लेट आया था. 20 minutes, that's it. And I apologized to her people, everyone. But Alia was not talking to me. और फिर उनको एक कैरेज पे चढ़ना था और मुझे पता था कि ये गिरेगी ही गिरेगी और गिर के जाएगी किधर, मुझे ही पकड़ना है. तो जब वो गिरी और मैंने पकड़ा, अभिषेक को सीन बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया, बट फिर तब आलिया हंसी and then we became friends.
Yeah, no, but to be very honest, it's lovely. I love working with him, and he is very, very close to my heart. And I have to say, he is fantastic in the film, in my eyes.
Karan Justin here from That's
the last question, ladies and gentlemen.
Karan Justin here Karan Justin here from PTI towards
लेफ्ट
your
में संजय जी यहाँ पर
बोलिए, let him question. आप बोलिए.
संजय जी सवाल ये है
बोलिए.
सवाल ये है संजय जी कि आपकी जिंदगी का कोई ऐसा कलंक जिसे आप हमेशा के लिए मिटाना चाहते हैं?
आप
अरे भैया मैं जेल गया हूँ, वो कलंक वो अभी मिट गया लगता है.
Karan,
thank you, and thank you on that glorious note. We'd like to thank
you guys.
If we request everyone to take the photographs if you have. Is it photograph? And thank you very much for being here, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
चलो हो गया निकल रहीम खाली के ना मैडम बैठिए प्लीज मोबाइल चलो आगे से बैठ जाओ प्लीज अरे दत्ता फंसा ना दत्ता अरे यार क्यों फिर अरे दत्ता वो अंकल को भी बोल जरा बैठने को अरे दादा अरे नीचे बैठ स्टील ये स्टील अरे दत्ता स्टील